Hello, Namaste. I welcome you all in another episode of Netra Talks. My name is Netra Khe. I am a counseling psychologist by profession and Ayurvedic practitioner. Today is World Mental Health Awareness Day, and I would like to take this occasion to talk about a very important topic named self-care is not selfishness. Yes, you heard it right. Self-care is not selfishness. What I mean by this? So just practice it a little differently when you will be able to understand it much better. When we are engaging in self-care, we are not supposed to hurt anybody. So if we just remove edge from selfishness, it will become self-isness without hurting anybody. If you are engaging into self-care, then definitely it is desirable. And self-care is the most important virtue if we need to practice it. So there are few quick tips which I would like to share with you all. Tip number 1. So one important point is prioritize yourself. Prioritize yourself about anything else. Your time is the most important thing which you need to devote for yourself, which is me time. If you are able to do so, most of the things will get sorted. Another important thing is be little more assertive, because when we are not assertive, we are either aggressive in our talking or either we are submissive, where most of the times either we hurt someone which we are not supposed to do, or we please unnecessarily, which is again we are not supposed to do. So by being assertive communication style in our talk, we can say no without hurting another person, and even take no if someone is saying no to us without getting hurt ourselves and without harming others. So we spoke about two important points over here. So first is prioritization of ourselves and be assertive. Point number 3 is inculcate self-discipline. So when we are inculcating self-discipline, there are few things which we need to be very careful about. If we create associations, which is my point number 4, if we create associations in our self-discipline. So what I mean by that is we need to create associations, like for example, if there is morning, after morning I brush my teeth, so in the morning I will exercise, or I will do my pranayam, my meditation. Before sleeping, I will take a walk. Yeah, so when you make such associations, come what may, you will be ending up doing that activity. Next important thing is engage in one pleasurable activity each day without fail. Yeah, so whatever it can be helping your spouse in kitchen, it can be solving any sudoku puzzle, it can be drawing, it can be singing for self, it can be cooking for self, which you enjoy not as a duty but as a thing which you would like to do. And the last and most important thing is rewarding yourself. If you are able to do any activity, please reward yourself by giving something to yourself. Like for example, it can be a small chocolate. If you are able to do exercise for a week without fail, maybe you can gift yourself a chocolate. If you can buy ice cream for yourself or for treating yourself. If you are able to read for maybe 20 days in a one span, you can also do something like that for yourself. Yeah, so these are few things. I will just repeat the pointers. Prioritize yourself, engage in self-care by being assertive, inculcate in self-discipline. Next thing is find your associations, engage in one pleasurable activity each day, and reward yourself without fail. I remember one dialogue from Jab We Met over here, मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. Yes, so please do that with yourself and you will definitely enjoy your own company. There is no other company like that. So please like, share and subscribe my channel Netra Talks, and sharing is a good deed, so happy sharing.